Hello everyone, welcome back to algebra. Solving simultaneous equation 2 by 2 system. Simultaneous equation means I have two equations, I want to solve them in two unknowns, x and y, and this one also is x and y. I want to find the value of x and the value of y. I will use the method of elimination here. Elimination means I want to remove one of the variable. I want to remove y or remove x. Okay, to find the other variable first, then substitute in the one of the two equations to find the second one. I'd like to show you now. If I want to remove now x or y, the coefficient of y here 2, the coefficient here is 1. If I multiply the second equation now by 2, I will get this 2y like this one, and this is what I want to do. Multiplying the second equation by 2, you get 10x minus 2y is equal to 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 2, 4, and 1, 5. The second equation becomes 10x minus 2y equals 54. This is the first equation, just write it again. Down, 3x plus 2y equal negative 2. Now, if I add the two equations, I'll remove y, because negative 2y plus 2y is 0, yes? So by adding the two equations, 10 plus 3 is 13x, y is 0, equals 54 plus negative 2 is 52. Okay? Then divide by 13, divide by 13 each side. You get x equals, this is 4. 4 times 3, 12, and 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 4. So the value of x equals 4. Okay? Take this value and substitute in one of the equations. Substitute by x equal 4 into equation number. You have to select the easiest one. This first equation or second equation, no problem. Consider I've selected the first equation into equation number 1. So x equal 4, put here 4, 3 into 4. You will put x of 4 here in this one. 3 into 4 plus 2y is equal to negative 2. Okay? So 12, this is 12 really. I can write 2y is equal negative 2 minus 12 by removing 12 on the other side. 2y now is equal to negative 14 divided by 2 divided by 2, so y equal negative 7. Very easy. So I got now the value of y and the value of x. You can check your answer, is it correct or incorrect, by substituting back in the two equations by x equal 4 and y equal negative 7. If the two sides of the original equation are equal, it's okay, your answer is correct. If something wrong, you have to repeat or check your answer again, maybe something wrong. Okay, continue question number 2. Solve these two equations. Look at the coefficient. Coefficient of y 2 and 3, coefficient of x 1 and 2. So remove x here, it's easier. Take the first equation, multiply it by 2. And the second equation number 2, leave it the same. So multiply each side, each term of the first equation by 2. You get 2x plus 4y. You multiply here by distributive property, 2 times first term times second term times the 1 also, each term divided by 2, multiplied by 2. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 2. Now you can add, no, not adding. You add or subtract, that's your choice. The first equation becomes 2x plus 4y equal 2, and the second equation is the same because the coefficient of x is now the same. If I add, the x still exists, so I will subtract, because 2x minus 2x equals 0. Okay? Subtract now. And you subtract up and down or down from up, no problem. It's up to you. So subtract this way. 2x minus 2x is 0, nothing. 3y minus 4y is negative y, is equal 4 minus 2 is 2. Negative y is equal to 2. By multiplying each side by negative 1, you will get y equal negative 2. Very easy. Y negative 2. Use the value of y, substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 here, x plus 2y is equal to 1. Put y is negative 2. So x plus 2 into negative 2 is equal to 1. Okay? So x minus 4 is equal to 1 by adding 4 to each side. Inverse operation method. This cancelled, x equals 5. Okay? So you have x equals 5 and y equal negative 2. If you want to check your answer, is it correct or incorrect? Take the values of x and y and substitute back here. Let me show you. X 5 plus 2 times the value of y negative 2. Is it equal 1? Let me show. Let me check. Yeah, this negative 4. Yes, correct. This equal 1 is correct. 5 plus negative 4 or 5 minus 4, 1. The first equation is correct. Go to the second equation. Now I'm checking my answer. Is it correct or incorrect? X5, 2 into 5. Okay? Here, this equation. 2 into 5 plus 3 into the value of y negative 2. Is it equal 4? 2 times 5, 10. 3 minus 6, yes. 10 minus 6 equal 4 and 4 equal 4, yes. So your solution now is 100% correct. No doubt that your answer is wrong. Y negative 2 is correct and x equal 5. Because when you substitute back in the two equations, you found them correct or satisfied. Each equation satisfied or correct. See this question with me. Solve these two equations also by elimination method. This coefficient of x 5 and 7 prime numbers, and the coefficient of y also 3 and 2, and each of them is a prime number. In this case, you need to multiply each equation. If I want to remove the y, this is 3 and 2. The equation that has 3 as a coefficient of y multiplied by 2, multiplied by this coefficient. And the equation that has 2 multiplied by the other coefficient of y multiplied by 3. In this case, the coefficient of y will be 6 in both. And this is what I want to do. So use distributive property, multiply 2 by each term now. So 10x plus 6y is equal to 24, this first equation. And 3 times 7, 21x plus 3 times 2, 6y is equal to 3 times 9, 27, carry up 2, and 3 is 5, 57. Okay? Now subtract. If you have the same sign, subtract. Same sign, same coefficient, subtract, because any term minus itself is 0. Okay? 10 minus 21. And you can subtract this direction to avoid negative number, negative sign. No problem. You can subtract, say, 21 minus 10. So 21 minus 10 is 11x. This is 0, of course. And 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. Correct. Good. 11x is 33. Divide by 11. Divide by 11. So x is equal to 3. Very good. So this is the value of x. Okay? Go back to one of the original equation. Not these after multiplying by 2 and 3. No. The original one. The red one. And substitute with x3 in this one or this one. Take easiest one for you. Second or first, no problem. You will get the same value. For example, I select the first one. 5x plus 3y is 12. So 5. When you see x, don't write x, write 3 instead of it. So 5 into 3, this step is called substitution. 3y is equal to 12. Okay? So 15 plus 3y is equal to 12. Minus 15 here, minus 15 here. 15 minus 15, 0. 3y is equal to 12 minus 15 is negative 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Divide always by this number. Y now is equal to negative 1. Okay? Very easy. So y negative 1 and x equal 3. Okay? You can check also your answer. If you want, substitute back by these two values. In the original two equation, you will find the two sides are equal. You will side this 12 and this 12. You will find this 19 side, this side, and this side is 19. Okay? Number 4. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 4x minus 6y is equal to 8. Try to equate the coefficient. Yeah, this, look. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So take this all equation times 2. This only one equation. So if one of the coefficient of y divisible by the other coefficient of y in the second equation, in this case you multiply only one equation by 2, by 3, but by the result of division. Yeah, I mean 6 divided by 3 is 2. These 2 multiplied by this equation. If division is 5, multiply this equation by 5. Now multiply, you will get 4x minus 6y is equal to 8. Oh, the two equations are the same. If we try to subtract, you will get 0 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 4x minus 4x, 0. And even negative 6y minus itself is 0. What's the meaning of this? 0 equals 0. Is it correct sentence or incorrect? It's a correct sentence. What's the meaning of this? What is the solution now? The This means the two equations is the same, almost the same. Graphically, when you draw the first equation, consider this line represents the first equation, and you draw the second equation, you will find them represent the same line. Now the first line is coincident with the second line. Each point in the first line belongs to the second line also. In this case, you have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. When you obtain a correct sentence like 0 equals 0, this means the two equations, not different lines, they are originally the same line. They are originally the same line. So infinitely many solutions. This is one of the cases you may face or see when you solve the two simultaneous equations. Okay? Last one, y plus 4x equals 1 and 2y plus 8x is equal to 6. Try to, look, this is 2, this is 1. Just multiply this equation by 2, the easiest method. Or negative 2, no problem. If you multiply it by 2, you will get 2y plus 8x is equal to 2. Now subtract the two equations. 2y minus 2y is 0. Even x minus x is 0. Oh, 0 plus 0. And 6 minus 2 is 4. 0 equal 4. Is it correct? Is 0 equal 4? This is wrong sentence. What's the meaning of this? This means when you get always a wrong sentence when you solve the equation, this means the system no solution. No solution for this system. No solution for this system or these two equations. The reason graphically here that each equation represents two lines, and these two lines are exactly parallel. These two lines never intersect. If you check the slope for each line, will get the same. The slope here is negative 4 over 1. Here negative 8 over 2, also negative 4. The slope is negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y. Look, the slope negative this number over this number. The slope is negative 4 and here is negative 4. And the c is different. C is the difference between the lines. 6 minus 1 is the distance between the two lines. So the two lines are parallel. This means no solution for this system. So let me summarize what I told you today. I solved the system of simultaneous equation by only one method. Is called elimination method. I eliminate x or y to find only the first letter and the first symbol, and then substitute in the other equation to find the other one. You have three cases you can find. If you find the wrong sentence, this means no solution, the lines are parallel. If you have a correct sentence like 0 equals 0 something or 1 equal 1 like this means infinitely many solutions, the two lines are coincident. But if you have distinct solution, distinct values of x, a unique value of x, a unique value of y, this means you have a solution, and in this case the two lines are intersecting in one point. Okay, thank you so much and see you next time. Goodbye.